Once in a blue moon, you are going to use strike-through with text, and if you catch me off guard, I will be hard-pressed to figure out where you're going to use it, but luckily this is a very good example where I can show you when you will consider using strike-through in your text. Here I have an example of pricing. Previously it was 299 Rand, and now it's 199 Rand, and that's for us here in South Africa, makes a lot of sense. What I want to do is make it very visual, and to do that I can use strike-through. I'll select the text, and then simply from the options toolbar, I'll go to the strike area, click on that, and bazinga, there you go, it is struck through. To remove it, simply click on it, and the strike is removed. Remember, however, that if you do not highlight the text, and you simply click within the text line, and you select strike, in that case, it's going to strike through everything. In this event here, and this is how the text editor or the text element within Brizy works, whenever you have a break, a line break, each line or each paragraph is treated individually. If I were to put these two in the same line, I'll delete it and put them like so, and I click on strike, and now I click on strike, it will go into both lines. But the moment, and that's for all cases, I have a break, whether it's a shift enter, whether it's a hard break or a soft break, whatever break you want to call it, it's going to treat it independently. Click again on that, click again here to remove it, and then we only select this text, and there you go. And this is one of the few incidents I can think of where you will want to use strike through text.